How much do you think this advanced operating environment is worth? Wait just 1 minute before you answer. Watch as Windows integrates Lotus 1, 2, 3 with Lotus 1, 2, 3 with Miami.
Now we can take this Ferrari. Now we can take this Ferrari and paste it right into Windows Right. Now, how much do you think Microsoft Windows is worth? Don't answer. Wait until you see Windows Right and Windows Paint and wait until you see Windows Right and Windows Paint and then listen to what else you get at no extra charge. The MS-DOS Executive, MS-DOS Executive, MS-DOS Executive, MS-DOS Executive, MS-DOS Executive, an appointment calendar, a card file, a notepad, a clock, a control panel, a terminal, a print spooler, a RAM driver, and can you believe it? MS-DOS Executive, and that's right, all these features in MS-DOS Executive, and all for just, how much did you guess? Don't answer.
Oh, it's just $99. That's right. It's $99. It's an incredible value, but it's true. It's Windows from Microsoft. It's just $99. That's right. It's $99. It's an incredible value, but it's true. It's Windows from Microsoft.
Order today, P.O. Box 286, DOS, except in Nebraska.
Okay, Bone, time for some serious crunching. I'm using Windows 386.
I'm using Windows 386. I'm using Windows 386.
So all my applications are running at once. My report right now is scattered all over my disk. Windows will pull these parts together real quick. I got pieces in one spreadsheet. 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 I got pieces in another. I got pieces that have never been close to one another. So I got pieces in another. I got pieces that have never been close to one another. So I got pieces in another. I got pieces that have never been close to one another. Some are in the database where things are pretty stuffy. Processor, that's where it gets fluffy. Windows 386.
Windows 386.
We'll pull these parts together and do it mighty quick. I'll cut and paste until it's in PageMaker. Then I'll slick it up to Rone's Heartbreaker. Your personal Bones Heartbreaker.
Here's the spreadsheet data you asked for, Linda.
Linda.
William!
Linda.
William!
Linda. Uh-oh. These are 1, 2, 3 files. That doesn't look like 1, 2, 3.
It's not 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, but no. No. It's not 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, but no.
Worry.
William, just
And the disk.
do me. I got
Several
applications.
looking mighty running under
Windows
3.8.
No one of the windows I've got 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 running at the same time as the others. Can't you see? I can cut and paste your files into my report, or I'll be around first can cut and paste your files into my report, or I can make them look better with Microsoft Chart. Choices. What I got. Now I'm gonna show you how to make this thing look hot.
Up in accounting, nothing ever looks hot.
Stand back, William, stand back. Windows 386, Windows 386, Windows 386 is on the attack.
When the new girl took maternity leave, we all said, get Sister back.
Oh, whatever happened to my old typewriter?
We got rid of it years ago. Coffee?
Yes, thanks.
Microsoft makes software that makes computers work for you. Microsoft makes software that makes computers work for you.
So, you've used Microsoft.
For as long as I've been using computers.
Microsoft, making it easier. Microsoft, making it easier.
G、Windows は
Windows は食事の後で
Windows! 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 Windows!
Nothing really happened.
お仕事 Windows。
Microsoft